I thought I would show you what I bought for the Black Friday Cyber Monday shopping special thing. And I'm not a big spender, but when I see a tool that I know my clients use and I think that maybe you would like for me to show you, I buy it, because often these tools are like $49 and that's lifetime access, not a month. So it's a great time for me to buy those things. I don't shop for clothes or makeup, I just buy software. So the first one is on AppSumo, and I'll put the link below so you can get the discount, the coupon, and it's called Join the Tribe or Tribe. And this one I was particularly interested in for clients who are fed up with Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups, and they want their own self-hosted group that people can ask questions and answer questions and things like that. I don't want to spend too much time on each one, so for $69-70 US, it's a lifetime deal, and you can have your own hosted, cloud hosted group, community, question and answer type of thing. So pick that one up. The next one is ManyChat, which I've used with a few clients who are looking for sophisticated messenger bots and Facebook automation services where you can say, I'm not here right now, but if your question is A, B, or C, and then depending on whether they click on A, B, or C, takes them through to different areas. Caveat emptor, Facebook's trialing Icebreakers at the moment, which is their own messenger bot service, but ManyChat has many other options as well, and they have a Cyber Monday deal. I'll put the details down below. PromoRepublic, I signed up with them a while ago, and I kind of wish I'd got the Black Friday offer, but anyway, they've got lots of different codes, and I will list them below. And they're just I guess there's different kinds of social media marketing software, and people are always asking me, which one do you prefer, which one do you like? And there's so many questions that come before that, before I can give an answer. So PromoRepublic is one that I like. Depends on what you're doing, but it is a social media dashboard like many others out there. Coupon codes for this one are wide and varied depending which plan you come in on, but I'll put them down below. What was this? Oh, SociaMonials. I'm picking this one up. There's a few in the social media toolbox on AppSumo which I've been thinking about picking it up or not, but this is an option, and I thought that the metrics side of it was interesting, and if you read my email newsletter, you'll see I go into it in more detail. But anyway, let's keep moving. Now, StockUnlimited are usually fairly pricey, and this is not a lifetime deal, but it is 3 years of StockUnlimited, which is the library of images, and so I think that's quite a good one. I mean, if you are a social media manager and you're trying to shift off of that situation where clients are continually downloading images and using them outside of copyright licensing agreements, maybe StockUnlimited would be a better option for you. Always with AppSumo, look for the code. I'll put it down here, but you also want to read the reviews and make sure that it is exactly what you think it is. BookLikeABoss. I really like these guys. Nachum, I think is the man's name. They have a nice voice on social. I use this connected to my Google Calendar, and I can set certain dates and times and tell clients that they can go and pick a date and time, and then they can book in one session or a package of sessions. They can be Skype, they can be personal mentoring, different things. So if you're looking for like a Calendly on steroids, somebody described it as, Diane described it as today, I think BookLikeABoss is a really good option, and $49 for a lifetime deal. You You can't do better than that. Well, you probably can, but I like BookLikeABoss. They're good. Now, this little bit, these few are for, let me just mute that. It is kind of annoying when sites autoplay. Kajabi. But the 28-day challenge is where their normal package, you get 14 days to set up your online school. With my code, you get 28 days. Oh, by the way, almost everything on here, I don't get money for the referral, but I might get, I'll either might win something, not likely, or I might get a voucher for some more software later on. This one here is a partner program, but I have to be in the partner program to give it to you because it's highly unlikely you can set up a whole online school in 14 days. 28 days is doable. 14 would be really pushing it unless you're migrating from another service. So this is MyKajabi. This is online school with sales landing pages, email automation, pipeline, funnels, a whole range of tools built in. And I've been trialing it for a couple of months and I'm on their paid plan. Teachable, oh my goodness, it only has an hour left. I reckon they might extend that because I can't see them cancelling it before Cyber Monday. That would be ridiculous. It's an online service. So keep an eye on the Teachable link that I'll give you and I'll update it if I can in the description. But I think they've got like $250 off a year. So instead of $700, instead of $900, $1,000, it's $750, something like that. For their big plan, their main plan. Kajabi is a full-featured corporate site. This is better for the solopreneur who's got 1 or 2 courses and just wants to get the courses up online. If you're going to do any automation with Teachable, you really have to integrate Zapier and then ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. But if you've already got that set up, you'll like it. And yeah, they've got a deal on for EduSocial, EduMarketing. So both Kajabi and Teachable are your online schools. The last one is one that I bought about a year ago and I'm including it because it's a lifetime offer. And so instead of $99 a month, you pay one-off fee, you get the whole thing, and it's a shopping cart with an affiliate program. So if you've got a WordPress site, you just fill in all the details of the products that you want to sell, or mentoring or courses or events or whatever, make a long list of them, put coupons in, all that sort of thing inside ThriveCart, and then you copy a shortcut, a little bit of code into your website and your shopping cart is there and it's all can be fully integrated and all that kind of stuff. It will take more than 3 minutes to set up. It might take you 15 or 20. Me, if I need to Google a couple of things, half an hour, but it's not a huge amount of time to do it. And I've stumbled across it and thought it was really good. It's included in here because very soon the price is going monthly and it's a lifetime discount offer. So you have a look at it. So they're my picks. That's what I'm picking up or have recently picked up or I'm already using and found out about the deal and thought I'd pass it on to you. There's tons of stuff I'm not buying. There's some that I wouldn't mind. There's some like Restreamio, which I've used before, but then I didn't use it and it was only yearly. So Restreamio would let me stream live to Facebook and YouTube and all the other services at the same time, simultaneously, but I just never used it. So I've got a link for that if you want to try that one. So what about you? Forget about me. What have you bought? And don't tell me makeup from Sephora. I want to be geeky, be nerdy. Tell me what software you found, any awesome offers that would suit a social media manager's marketing consultant, PR professional's toolbox, where they're really going to get value for money. Not $10 off for a week, but really going to get money. Going to get value for money. I can't speak at the moment. Anyway, I'm back to working on my online school and the funnels for that, and the welcome and onboarding messages. So have a nice weekend shopping while I'm working. See you.